We bought the house last summer, and we knew right away that we wanted to do something in the backyard. So we started just asking for recommendations, and we started working with somebody else, but we were not pleased by the way they were approaching the project. They were taking too long to get back to us. In fact, there was a day that I was waiting for them and they didn't show up. They were not very clear. So we got a couple of magazines in the area, and there was an ad. So we gave them a call, and then Darwin came right away. I called him and he came right away, and he was on top of everything right away. And we were very impressed by that because he was very responsive right away. Lately, and in this area of Carmel, when you call someone, it's like they're doing you a favor. When you are looking for some sort of service, it's like we have a lot of people, wait for us. He was very interested right away. He came to see me that week, and since then, everything I asked for, he gave it to me when I asked for it. We needed a quote. I told him exactly what I wanted to do. He gave me a quote that was detailed with a good breakdown of what we needed. Obviously, during the process, sometimes changed a little bit, but right away, the first 2 weeks, he came, he saw what we needed, we walked around the house, and he was able to provide a quote with a very detailed breakdown that gave us peace of mind. We have done similar projects many times because we have moved all over the place. So in the last 10 years, we have done 3 or 4 because we have moved that much, and the backyard is an important space in the house for us. So the fact that the main thing that I loved about them is that they are not working several projects at the same time. He pretty much told me, I will be done with this project I'm doing. Let's give it some extra days because something happens always at the end. And sure enough, by then he was able to start my project. And when he was working in my house, they were working in my house. It wasn't like 2 hours here, 2 hours there. I have lived through that. Companies that have 3, 4 projects at the same time. So they give you a couple of hours here and a couple of hours there, and then the project extends for 2 months. It was a very different experience. They were here every day. We communicated well. When there was a little bit of a miscommunication, a phone call, he was always there. He always answered. He always came. So that was very important to us. We're in love with the backyard. We cannot wait to start using it. Because we wasted so much time with other people, we were not able to have it done by the summer. But it has nothing to do with him. He finished when he said he was gonna finish, and we're just hoping to start using that fire pit now, before the winter comes, and we cannot wait to start having people over to enjoy it because, like I said, it's a very important space in the house for us. Oh my God, I recommend Darwin and SunnySide 100% for all the reasons that I explained. Responsive, only works in one project at a time, easy to communicate with. He listens to us. When we had things that we had to change, like in every project, there are a few things here and there that maybe you didn't communicate the idea well and it looks different. He was always open-minded and always willing to leave satisfied clients. So, 100% satisfaction.